January 2020, New Orleans, Louisiana. We're actually on our way to southern Texas, but southern Texas is just way too far for a straight-through drive. So we decided to break up this long drive with a layover in New Orleans. I mean, if you gotta stop someplace, why not New Orleans? Good drink, good food, good time. Our first stop on this trip was the World War II Museum. Friends told me that the World War II Museum is a must-see, and boy, they were right. I'm telling you, 4 days in this museum is not enough. There's that much to see. One entire wing is dedicated to the European theater, and that's a 2-day explore. The other side is the Pacific Theater, also 2 days. After exploring the museum, we did something new. We went to a cooking school. Of course, if you take a cooking school in New Orleans, you can expect to learn about Cajun cuisine. This cooking school wasn't so much about teaching you how to cook. It was more about teaching you about the history of food in New Orleans. And this woman might have been a history teacher, but she was also one hell of a cook. The food was great. We spent the rest of our short layover in New Orleans, exploring the French Quarter, checking out new places and new architecture, enjoying the food and the drink, and spending time with our friends. Oh yeah, and let's not forget about the beignets. Oh, so good. This was a short stop, but it was packed with fun and friends. We always enjoy our time in New Orleans, and we'll be coming through here again. But this was intended to be a short stop. But we've been here before, and our target this year is New Hampshire and Vermont. But now we have to move on to southern Texas and places that we've never been before. So if we want to add more states to our list this year, we better get going. See you at our next stop.